Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've not done a video for a long time because I'm so focused on trading. I'm so driven into trading. During this pandemic times or during this lockdown period, I focus a lot on trading and I seldom wanted to do a video because the market is moving high, moving low, and there's a lot of opportunities to make money. And hence, I think I was really trading in and out very hard. Right? So during this downtime, a lot of people lost their job. I feel so bad for them. They lost their job. They lost a source of income. They might not have a skill to make money. They lost their freedom. Like there's lockdown, there's a lot of things you can't do. You might lose your freedom. So I can see the world is a flurry state now. Everybody is trying to combat this coronavirus. So what can we do during this period of time? There's so many things we can do. We can do e-commerce. We can do e-marketing, we can do trading, we can do online businesses. So actually, there's a lot of things you can do. But guys, as you know me, my name is Ron K. I've been trading this market for 16 years and I still believe trading is the way to go. Why? Because all I need is just a laptop, or I might not even need a laptop. All I need is a phone. And just by clicking the right buttons, buy or sell, I'm able to rip off profits. So, like I said, trading has been so easy these days because the market is very volatile, but moreover, compared to 20 years ago, these days we have a lot of free available tools, live data feed that you can look at the stocks at your phone, at the ease of your phone, right? So as compared to those days, the data might be delayed and there's a lot of things that is not available because technology has not advanced yet back then. So now we got a lot of things. We don't need to spend a lot of money on trading. We can just look at the phone, look at the data. But now the key thing is this: are you ready to trade? Are you ready to click the right button? And are you ready to profit from a stock market? Right? So like I said, during this period of time, the market crashed from February, end of February, crashed all the way down as of now. I think end March, and then from end March we rebounded back. So during this period of time, let me show you. I just received a letter from my brokerage house, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the stocks I trade in, the stocks and the profits I made in the US market. Right, so can you see? This is a UBK here, my name is here, and so I'm going to show you records after. Can you see? Pages of records. Pages of records. Records after records. So much. I traded so many things. You see guys? So much like, wow, I just don't know. A lot of stocks. So, I'm just going to show you, wow, I just trade and trade and trade like nobody business. And my broker told me, wow, Ron, you've been trading like a, super trader. I said, no. So watch this. Can you see? I traded close to $4 million USD worth of stocks. You see, in, out, credit, balance, credit, so $4.3 million USD. And my broker told me, wow, Ron, you're trading so big. How do you start up so much risk? I told him, it's not about the risk that's important, it's about knowing, timing the market, knowing where the market bottom out, knowing where the market has going to bottom out and trend higher, knowing when to click the right button, knowing how to choose the right stock. Risk is only a risk when you don't know what you're doing, but if you practice every day, and you have a feel for the market, you live and breathe with the market, I don't think it's called risk because you're just doing something that you're practicing for many years, right? So that's how I churned that's how I traded many US stocks and profit from it. Now, one last thing before I end is this, guys. All of you are gifted. All of you can trade. But the key thing is you need to do practice. You need to do practice. You need to practice very hard, right? And go back and watch my old videos. I think last month I did a video and I told everyone the Dow Jones is going to bottom out at 17,000 level. Although it did not hit 17,000, but the Dow Jones, if I go back and flip back the chart, which I'm going to show you guys, the Dow Jones bottomed out not 17,000, but the Dow Jones bottomed out at 18,000. So, like I said, I'm not far off. I'm not far off from the prediction, right? Most people are trying to catch the bottom because the sell-down was so severe, but I call it 1,000 points above. So can you see the Dow Jones? It's sold all the way down, and right here, can you see right here? It's 18,000, right? And from 18,000, the Dow Jones now is 24,000. So go back and watch one of my old videos where I shared with all of you the Dow Jones, the bottom out level is about 17,000, and just by 1,000 points off, 18,000, the Dow Jones really rebounded 23,000. So, like I said, this is called market timing. And market timing is very important. So if you want to do good trades like this, $4 million worth of stocks, you want to do good trades like this, you need to be able to know at what certain point the Dow Jones is going to turn, and so that you can hit the buy button. Buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. That's what everybody wants to achieve. Buy low, sell high. And to do that, I always say the same thing. You must be able to buy before a stock run. And how to buy before a stock run? You can either learn from me, which I have 16 years of vast experience, or you can go read a book, which I don't know which book will teach you how to buy low, sell high. Or maybe you can go and experience yourself, pay some money to the market first, lose some money to learn the hard-earned lesson. Then from there, maybe you figure out how to do it. But I think the last way is the least way, because the last way is something that most people wouldn't want to go through, because the money you lost to the market can be much painful than what you're going to earn in the future, right? So there's two ways. You can learn yourself, you can learn from me, or you can ask your friends and family. Alright, there's many ways to learn. But for me, I tell you this, guys, I've been through the hard way. Nobody taught me anything. Maybe many years ago I attended one technical program, but that program never changed my life. Right? So what changed my life is when I gain experience, when I practice every day, when I trade every day, when I know what's happening to the market every day. That's how my experience grew. And from my experience, now I'm almost an elder man. I got wisdom, and wisdom allows me to catch bottom. And I tell you this, guys, this $4 million, all these trades that you see here, this $4 million, I can tell you, people are losing their job, people are fearful, people have salary cuts, people have no skill to make money. But can you see, guys, during this downtime, I'm still performing like crazy. Can you see? Alright, so I hope all of you take this 1 month, reflect yourself, reinvent yourself, and think, how are you able to rejuvenate yourself when this whole lockdown period is over? For me, I know what I want to do, but for you guys who is watching this video, go and reflect, meditate, and think hard. What do you want to really achieve in the next 10 years? Maybe in the next 3 months to 6 months. What do you want to achieve? For me, I don't want to achieve more money. More money is just one thing, but I want to achieve proficiency in coaching, in training a group of traders, so that they become so skillful, one day they will work for me, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video and be inspired by this trade, 4.3 million USD, right? So have a good day, take care, and chat later. Bye.